But I am shocked a little bit at the lack of reaction by the global and United States stock markets when I hear Putin say fight to the death and imply the possibility of a nuclear attack.
I think you've got to take that very seriously. Now, let's put it in perspective, however. I think it's unlikely that Putin would actually reach for that nuclear weapon. He realizes that doing so, even a tactical nuclear weapon, would simply drive away the enormous tranche of swing votes, if you will, in the global south. Nations he wants to keep at least neutral. Nigeria, South Africa, Brazil, India, all of them would depart the Vladimir Putin pattern if he used a nuclear weapon. So I'm more focused on the mobilization of 300,000 troops. I think that's a very significant step. It smacks of desperation. It'll be a very hard lift to get all of them into fighting form. But we got to take very seriously what we're hearing from Putin.
Yeah, and it's tough, Helima, because you know the Russian troops are getting decimated. They're being run off. Many apparently are retreating. They're surrendering. It's Putin's humiliation. But isn't that where the danger zone is?
I mean, I think that's exactly the concern, is that a cornered Putin is a very dangerous Putin, and we should prepare for potentially very destabilizing escalatory moves from this regime. And you pointed out the market is not reacting to this. I think they're more concerned about Powell than Putin at the moment. But I think we should really brace for further economic weaponization. And he's already turned off the taps on natural gas. The question is, does he potentially start, pulling back on oil supplies into Europe in advance of this December 5th sanction start date? So I think that there are many more cards that Putin can play, and I'm not sure he's done by any means on the economic front.
But Helima, back to you. How long can he hold out? Natural gas is not a huge deal for Russia. We know that. Oil is. It's a petrodollar state. Putin does not hold all the cards here with energy.
Well, when we think about oil, I would say, yes, it is the main revenue earner. But there's a volume price dynamic. It's not like Vladimir Putin, I think, would go to zero. But he's already facing the prospect of being locked out of Europe by December 5th. All he needs to do is start pulling back early, essentially saying to Europe, you're going to cut me off on December 5th. I'm going to cut you off now. And so, again, I think we should prepare for a potential reduction in Russian oil volumes. That does not mean he goes to zero, but he certainly can raise the stakes in this economic game of brinkmanship.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.